Despite receiving over 40 million COVID-19 vaccines, Nigeria has so far vaccinated over 15 million people, which is about 14.1% of the eligible population, but only with the first dose. With a fresh donation of the Johnson & Johnson vaccines, health authorities say it will be channeled for use in the hard-to-reach areas, while also bringing more assurances that there will be more vaccine coverage in the next couple of weeks.
With today's donation of 1,936,050 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine through the European Union, we also have a stock of about 10 million doses of the vaccines that have been donated through the COVAX. This brings to a total just a little over 51 million doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine that have been donated to the government of Nigeria. We will be focusing the use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccines in the hard-to-reach areas, riverine areas, desert areas, security-compromised areas. This is because we want to seize the opportunity of the single-dose vaccination to reach these populations at the earliest opportunities and not worry about the fact that we'll have to go multiple times.
The close to 2 million vaccines being donated by Europe here is part of over 300 million vaccines donated through the World Health Organization-backed COVAX initiative, making the EU the biggest donor of COVID-19 vaccines in the world.
The European Union and its member states joining forces and pooling together their resources to support partner countries like Nigeria in the common fight against the pandemic, because nobody is safe until everybody is safe. Today's donation brings us collectively closer to reaching the milestone of 500 million doses delivered by COVAX. The European Union is so far the biggest donor of COVID-19 vaccines in the world. To date, Team Europe has mobilized at least 38 billion euros, of which 8 billion for the African continent.
An appeal has been made to all donors to invest in the immunization system and primary healthcare structure of Nigeria. And unlike previous vaccines, this one has a lifespan of 2 years. And officials say it will give the Nigerian government enough time to get to people in hard-to-reach areas.
The Basket Fund have played a major role in helping the United Nations and the government to be able to do that, but to encourage all donors to now seriously invest in the immunization system and the primary healthcare structure so that we can not only accelerate COVID-19 vaccine, but also respond to vaccine-derived polio, to other diseases, but especially to routine immunization, which is still of significant importance throughout the country.
Nigeria had last year procured close to 40 million doses of the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine to inoculate its people. And with this donation of close to 2 million vaccines, it is believed that in country right now, the country has about 12 million, because even the 40 million was staggered into months. And one believes that with all of these vaccines coming into the country, more people would go out there and get inoculated against the virus. So that way we can see an end to the pandemic as soon as possible. At the Strategic Cold Store in Abuja, I'm Maka Uday, Arise News.